This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to add whiskers to your Amigurumi Crochet project. You're going to need a spool of fishing line. Normally, I would use regular clear fishing line, but for this tutorial, I thought I'd use black, so hopefully it shows up better on camera. The next step is to cut 6 strands of fishing line that are about 10 inches long. I find it helpful to find something to wrap the fishing line around, like this whiteboard. So we'll wrap it around 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we'll cut along the top. To add a whisker, we'll insert our hook through a stitch on the snout, then grab one of our whiskers, fold it in half, and pull the looped end through the stitch with our hook. Then yarn over and pull the strands through the loop. If your animal is going to be played with, I highly recommend securing the whisker with a knot at the base. So let's do this for the 5 remaining whiskers. Alrighty, and the final step is to trim them down to your desired length. Your crochet animal now has some adorable whiskers. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!